Hey guys, it's Josh Bailey here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you a brand new Bennington we just got in. It's a 2026 22 SSB. This is the swingback. It's a tri-tune, so we've got the tri-tune with the SPS package on this boat. We've got the blackout Lux package, so all the aluminum rails are all black anodized, black rub rail, integrated dock lights and nav lights up here. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Guys, we're here at the back of the boat. This boat is powered by a 150 horsepower Yamaha outboard. Got our stainless steel Reliance prop on here as well. We've got a ski tow bar, a nice boarding ladder over here on the starboard side. And as you can see up here, we've got our sun pad, which we'll talk about here in a moment. Let's hop aboard and look at the interior. Guys, up here in the bow of the boat, we have a lot of room for all of your passengers. We've got forward chase lounges on the starboard and the port side. Lots of storage underneath these lounges. These are all going to have the roto-molded seat bases, which have water channeling gutters to keep all of your gear dry whenever you're out there on the water. Storage underneath the backrest as well. And as you can see, we've got a table center line here. As we move back to the helm, you can see we've got a nice storage compartment underneath, courtesy light on the side. Got our analog gauges with our Garmin chart plotter over there, analog switches for all of our accessories, Rockford Fosgate audio in this boat, as well as a tilt steering wheel. And once again, as all of these Benningtons, the seat is perfectly placed for the ergonomics of grabbing this binnacle here. Right there at your armrest, it's super comfortable. You don't have to worry about reaching way up here or reaching way back here. As we look over here, we've got a co-captain's chair. Once again, super comfortable, fold down armrest, adjust it forward and backwards and spin it around. As we move back, we've got our sun pad, so you can face rearward and soak up the sun, or if you want to get underneath the bimini top, you can face forward and have some people riding in the boat here. Once again, we got a bimini top on this boat, and it's a 10-foot manual bimini, so it gives a lot of good shade when you're out there on the water. If you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville showroom.